everyone, I'm Miss Beth and welcome to Miss Beth's Place, and this is my kitchen. Tonight I'm going to make a quick, simple, sort of a dinner snack, I guess you could call it. I'm going to call it chicken provolone, garlicky, cheesy little sliders. So the first thing I did was I got out some chicken tenders and I used about 4 of them. I sliced them in half and I'm making them nice and crispy in my frying pan with just a little bit of oil. I've got 6 sliders. Now it comes 12 to a pack of these King's Hawaiian savory butter rolls. These are really good. You can make the best sliders with these. So what I'm going to do is to prepare them is I'm going to put a little bit of Hellmann's mayonnaise on the inside of them. Got them sliced open. So there's the tops and there's the bottoms. I think that's right. There's the bottoms. There's the tops. Tops. I got to figure out where my bottoms are. Bottoms. So I'm going to put a little bit of mayonnaise on the top and the bottom of these. And I like to use Hellmann's. It's my favorite, but any mayonnaise will do you. Just a little. That's all you need. Then I'm going to go over here to my stove where I got my chicken. And I'm going to put my chicken on here. So the chicken is nice and brown. Lay this across here. I probably got too much chicken. I probably should have just used 3, but we're gonna roll with it because we like chicken. We like meat. We're meat eaters. Okay, you can see the chicken on there, laid on there. Then I'm going to take some provolone cheese. You can use mozzarella cheese or Swiss cheese. Any kind of cheese that you like. If you don't like provolone, provolone is really good to me. It melts good too. This is the slices. And I'm just going to lay a couple of slices on the bottom and the top. Well, it's actually the top's going to go to the bottom, but that's what it's going to look like. So when I get that on there, I'm just going to fold this over on top of it. I've got this on some parchment paper in a pan, and I'm going to put a little bit of butter, real butter, and garlic salt that I have melted. I'm going to brush this over the top of this where it can seep down in there really good. That's butter and garlic smell so good, y'all. This is quick. This is simple. Take you 10 minutes. If you come home after you've been working all day like I have, I know y'all have heard this before, but I work at a gym. I own a gym. So I was really busy today. Had a lot of people in. I'll tell y'all a little story about this lady. It was kind of sad, but it was kind of happy too. She came in with her dog Buster. He's her emotional support dog. And I hadn't seen this little old lady in probably over a year, close to 2 years, but she's always real sweet. But she used to come in with her husband who was in a wheelchair, and she would help him get out of his wheelchair onto the little machines, and he would do a little workout, and then they would probably stay about an hour and then they would leave. Well, she lost her husband last year and she's been kind of lonely, so she got her that emotional support dog, and his name's, like I said, Buster. And they came to see me today, and she walked on the treadmill. She said that she had walked the longest she had probably walked in a month since she had to have surgery on her back. She said that she was so happy to see me and to see my little grandbaby, because my grandbaby hangs out with me in the gym too. She's almost 8 months old. And so that was Okay, guys, I was just talking and my battery went dead on my phone, but hey, I'm back. Anyways, I was telling y'all the story about Buster and the lady at the gym, and it was so good to see them. But being a gym owner, it has its reward. You know, I used to be a nurse and I hadn't nursed in a while, so I tell everybody that my gym, all my members are my patients now. So, anyways, life is short. Enjoy your people while you have them. So I've got the butter on the sliders, and I'm going to put a little bit of the green cheese, the Parmesan cheese. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of that on top of there, just like that. I'm going to put these over in my oven. I've already got something cooking over here in my oven, but I'm going to put these in my oven on about 400 for maybe 5 or 10 minutes, just to get that butter melted a little and maybe crisp up just a little bit around the edges. Nothing. Don't want them toasted heavy. Just want them heated through. So I'm put these over in my oven for about 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, our sliders are ready. Oh man, don't those look good? They're all cheesy. Look at that cheese running out of there. And I smell the garlic and the butter. Woo! Now this is just a easy, quick little snack for supper when you don't want to cook. But this right here is going to be like $1 million off. So I put it out here on my cutting board, and I'm going to attempt to cut this. I've got the chicken in there. Oh, chicken cheesy sliders, y'all. Chicken cheesy garlic sliders. Oh, I'm just going to cut 2 at a time because we'll eat 2 at a time. Look at the cheese on that. Oh, man. Now, I forgot to tell y'all a while ago, but when I cook my chicken, I just put a little bit of seasoning, different seasonings in it that I like. You can put poultry seasoning on it, seasoning salt, garlic, salt and pepper, whichever kind of seasoning you like. You put whatever toppings you want on it. But today we put provolone cheese, a little bit of mayo, some grilled chicken or pan-fried chicken. It doesn't have any breading on it. It doesn't have a lot of oil in it. It's good for you. The bread is the Hawaiian sliders. The only reason I use 6 is because there's only 2 of us, and we don't want a bunch of stuff left over. We want to just be able to eat what we got and not have a bunch of leftovers, because I'm trying to cut back, and the more we got laying around, the more we're gonna eat. So this is my cheesy chicken sliders. Let me just show you one up close. Oh man, look at that cheese. I don't know if I should eat that or not. I probably burned my hide off my head, off my mouth. Oh, look at the bottom. Oh, that's so good. Y'all, I'm so glad y'all came to see me tonight. I'm gonna cut into this, but I'm gonna cool it. I'll let you see though. Y'all come back to see me. Stay tuned for other recipes that I'm going to be making. I've got some jalapeno poppers coming up, and got this coming up. And if you can comment and subscribe, that would be great. And it's so great to see you. And y'all have a blessed night, and I'll see you in the next one.
How you doing?